Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to control who can mention you on the Tumblr app using your phone. This is an important feature to manage your privacy and interactions, so you can decide who can tag. First, open the Tumblr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon at the top right. Then, click on Account Settings. Once you are in Account Settings, scroll down and click on the Mentions option. Then, tap on Who Can Mention Me to see the available preferences. You will find 4 different options. The first option is Everyone Can Mention Me, which allows any Tumblr user to tag you in posts. The second option is Only Blogs I'm Following Can Mention Me, which restricts mentions to accounts you follow. The third option is Only Mutuals Can Mention Me, meaning only users you follow who also follow you can tag you. Finally, the last option is No One Can Mention Me, which completely prevents anyone from mentioning your account. Choose the preference that best fits your needs and privacy settings. Finally, once you select your preferred option, your settings will be updated automatically. This way, you can have better control over your interactions on Tumblr and reduce unwanted mentions. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks for watching.